Hazrat Nauman bin Bashir radiyallahu anhu states that his mother, Rawah's daughter, requested his father to grant his son, Hazrat Nauman, some of his property. My father postponed this issue for a year, and then this thought got evoked in his mind, but my mother said, I will not get pleased until you hold Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam a witness to this present of my son. My father held my hand and took me to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. I was then a young boy. He submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, his mother Rawah's daughter wishes to make you a witness to the thing which I have presented to this son of mine. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked, O Bashir, do you have children else him? He submitted, yes. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, have you given all of them the same gift? He submitted, no. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon said, then I will not give witness for oppression. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 4158.